Hello friends, today we would be unboxing a Bluetooth speaker by Zebronics. It is portable Bluetooth speaker by Zebronics and the brand name given to it by the company is Dynamite. You can see over here, it is a portable Bluetooth speaker with the code of ZEBBT013 and the brand name is Dynamite by the company Zebronics. Now it is having all the standard features of a Bluetooth speaker. This one is having a call function, media control, built-in battery, a USB pen drive slot. It would play MP3 or WMA files and the other kind of stuff. On package, the price is given as 14 Indian rupees 1414. But I was able to get it on a deal. The link of the Amazon dealer from whom I have bought this speaker, I would be putting in the description below. So if you are interested, you can buy it from there. So when it comes to the features of this Bluetooth speaker, it is having a Bluetooth version 2.1. It is having an inbuilt battery of 500 mega ampere. The output power is actually 3 watt into 2. That simply means that speaker is having two small output speakers into it of 3 watts each. Then some important things are the transmission distance is 10 meters approximately. Charging time is 3 hours, and if you are playing it via Bluetooth, so it would be able to run for 4 hours, which is given over here. Moreover, there is a call function, aux function, FM function, and USB playback support is there by plugging in the pen drive. But one thing is there, you can at the max plug in a pen drive having the maximum capacity of 32 GB only. Otherwise, if it is more than 32 GB like 64 or 128, it would not be supported by the speaker. So let's open up the speaker and see that what kind of speaker we are getting over here. So let me put the speaker aside. Other than speaker, in the box we are getting actually two cables. One is a standard micro USB cable, which must be for charging the speaker. Then the other one is a 3.5 mm audio jack port on both sides. So this must be for bringing in the audio from maybe your computer or from your laptop into the speaker. So let us just see the speaker. It is little bit heavy, which is actually signaling about the quality of the product. And there is this user manual. So it is a basic user manual which is telling me about that do not turn the volume level constantly as this would impair your hearing. There are certain specifications, the package content is there, and there are few of the functions that I would be discussing with you. So this is the Bluetooth speaker. So let me just peel this thing off. So it is by Zebronics. By the look of it, it feels very premium. There is an on-off switch, the aux input, the 5-volt charging port, and a USB port. So there is no card slot on this thing. There are two buttons on the left side of the speaker. It is for volume up, volume down, or changing the track. And there is a lower button. For the lower button, it is call pickup or pause or play the music. The tactile feedback is good. Maybe you are able to listen to it. The tactile feedback is good. The quality of mesh in front of the speaker is also good. So there are actually two speakers, one over here and one over here. Both are of 3 watts. There is a certain gap over here. The logic of this gap is actually to create the bass. So let us just switch it on and see what kind of quality it would offer.
Bluetooth speaker power on. Waiting for pairing.
So it is actually a good sign. The quality of the speakers is brilliant, and there is a blue light flashing. This blue light is actually indicating that the speaker is searching for the Bluetooth pair. So by default, when it is switched on, it is into the Bluetooth searching mode. So let me just try to connect it to my laptop. The quality of sound. So I played a video over here, the intro of my channel. So let us see that what kind of sound would be appearing.
Bluetooth connected.
So I've paired the speaker with my laptop now. So let me just now play a audio clip for you so that you are able to listen to the kind of sound and bass it is able to generate. So it is very easy to connect. The bass is very deep for the speaker of this size, and see, it would easily fit on the palm of my hand. The bass is brilliant as it is connected to the system now, so it is just having this constant blue light over here. Otherwise it would start to blink. If I come to this side and I press this button for some seconds,
Radio.
so the radio is switched on. Let me just press it again. Now it is again searching for the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
So Bluetooth is connected because the Bluetooth on my computer is on. In order to play the radio, you need to plug in this cable into the system. This micro USB charging cable in the micro USB port, because this would be acting as the antenna. In order to play the music from the pen drive, you just need to insert a pen drive over here, which should be at the max of a 32 GB capacity, and the files should be either MP3 or WMA, because these are the only two formats that this music player could play. During the testing of this Bluetooth speaker, I charged it fully and I used it until the battery got completely drained out. It gave me little bit over 4 hours of audio playback and at a very good quality. The sound I kept it was at 60%. Whenever you would be switching on the speaker, by default the sound is set to 60%. In order to increase the sound, you just need to press this button over here and keep on pressing it.
Maximum volume.
And by the time it would say maximum volume, this is the maximum sound output it would be able to create. The music is pretty loud. Even for a big room, it would be able to offer a very satisfying music listening experience. I highly recommend this speaker for the people who are searching for a Bluetooth speaker. I had bought other Bluetooth speakers in the past, but I was not so much happy with the performance. This is my 4th speaker, and this is the one I am liking the most. And the major reason for it is the battery life is great, the size is very good, the looks are brilliant, and moreover the quality is the best. And this is one of the best speakers in the portable category in a price range of less than 1400 rupees, where I have found such a good bass quality. So Zebronics has actually done a very good job with this speaker. I am leaving a link in the description below, so if anybody is interested into buying this speaker, you could buy it from the seller from where I have bought it. I bought it from Amazon, so I am leaving the link for the same seller for you. I hope you like this video, so do like, share or subscribe. Thank you.